Today I'm checking out this 4-pack of Milwaukee replacement batteries that were sent to me so I could do the review. I'm going to go ahead and get them out of the packaging, let you take a look at them. We're going to try them out. So this is the batteries out of the box. Comes with a little instruction manual, really just give you specs about the batteries. And then it comes with 4 6-amp-hour lithium-ion batteries. These are the M18 style Milwaukee replacement batteries. They do have a little light on the front to indicate how much power they have in them. And it is recommended to charge these before you ever use them. They all look like they're, yep, about 75% charged. I'm going to go ahead and put these on the charger, get them all charged up, and then we're going to test them on some tools. Got my Milwaukee replacement battery charger here. I'm going to go ahead and slide them on. It's recognizing that one fine and charging it. Same thing there. So I'm going to charge all these batteries up. We should get a green light when they're fully charged, and then we can use them on some tools. Well, all 4 batteries charged up with no problem. Let's go ahead and test them out. So here's one of the batteries that I've got fully charged up, and I just grabbed a couple of little things that use Milwaukee batteries. So this is a new 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench that I bought. And this is a light that I use a lot, that I use it in the garage. It's like a little spotlight or work light. Both of these use Milwaukee batteries. You can go ahead, snap that in. So even though this isn't a Milwaukee item specifically, it's not Milwaukee branded, it does work with Milwaukee batteries and it fits really well on there. I don't want to point it at the camera because it gets really bright. But yeah, works with no problem with these batteries. And these things fit nice and snug. Push the buttons, comes right off. So the mold on this is really nice. Let's try it in a genuine Milwaukee tool. As soon as I put it on, the LED lights came on, so it definitely recognizes the batteries there. Has the different settings down here I can put. Let's put it all the way up. Yeah. That's actually the highest setting. No problem. So yeah, battery fits in fine, works great, has no issue in the tool. They recognize them and work just fine. So yeah, I definitely like the battery. I think you will too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.